What's going on, guys? Zach here from Joseph VT, bringing you guys another video. So, in a probably earlier video that you saw on my channel, I had the Arctis Pros. This is the model just below it, the Arctis 7s. There is an Arctis 9, but it's like only for Xbox or something like that. But this one should be able to do PC and PlayStation, or maybe there's a model that does PlayStation and this one's the only one with PC. It's one of the two, but this is probably the second or third one in their lineup. At the recording of this video, the Pros are completely sold out. That's with its own dock station and everything. This just has its own headset, so there's nothing too special that this has compared to the Pro, and the Pro has a little bit more features compared to this one, but they're pretty close to the same. So this is what the front of the box looks like. On the side, you just have them highlighting all their rewards and stuff like that. On the back, it shows you that it does the 2.4 gigahertz wireless. It's Discord certified. You can rotate between game and actual chat. And then it has all the DTS, like sound amplifying and all that. So on this side of the box, it shows you everything that you get. So we'll go through all these. You get the USB wireless transmitter. You get the 3.5 headphone jack, and then you get the USB charging cable. It shows you all the devices it'll work for. So you got Windows, PlayStation, Apple, and it does work for the Nintendo Switch, but it has to be plugged in for that. Then it shows you the range, 40, 2.4 gigahertz, battery life, 24 hours. Then a bunch of other stuff. If you guys care about, we can go through that, or I'll just show you guys. But that's basically what's around the box. These are pretty good headphones, but compared to the Pros, obviously those will probably be a little bit better than what you're seeing here. But a lot of those features with the Pro or with that docking station, that you can adjust everything on the fly and you don't have to go into the actual settings. Jesus. They just don't let you get it out of the box. Okay, then as you guys see here, it says rise up. They give you a little quote. So nothing super fancy, nothing on the back. Then it just slides out from the sides. The one thing I really like about Arctis is that their ear cups swivel to go 100% flat. So as you guys saw come out of the package, the ear cups can go flat. We'll lay the headphones over there for right now. This is where all your cables will be. So you got your charging cable. Then you have your headphone jack cable. Then this is your dock station for basically all the wireless components. For it to go Bluetooth and stuff like that, you'd have to have this plugged in. If you didn't have this, then you'd have to use the headphone jack. There's nothing too special on here. It just gives you a light indicator. Then you have your line out, then your line in. Then I'm not really sure, there's a button here, but I'm not really sure what that does. Now, on to what you guys want to see. So, with the ear cups, take these off. Now, with the ear cups, so as I told you before, they do swivel. So this would be laying them completely flat. And they do rotate, but they only go so far. So they can't go any farther than that. You got your elastic band that you can adjust from up here and do whatever you guys need to do so it feels comfortable on your head. So on the left ear cup, you got your mute button right here. You got your volume up and down. Underneath you got your charging port. Then you got your headphone port. Then this is where your mic comes out of. Right there. Then you can retract it. It has a little light indicator. That's when you know your mic is muted. On the left hand side here, it looks like you can go in between your game chat and actual gameplay. So whatever you prefer, it toggles so far. You can go right in the middle. Below it, you got a little LED screen, which will probably indicate battery level. Probably not in numbers, but at least, let's see. Oh, right now I turned it on, so it's just blinking. But maybe it doesn't do anything. I don't see anything right now when it's on. It's trying to connect. But basically, these are pretty much like the Pros. There's not too much that is different. These are a lot cheaper. These are about $150 to where the Pros were $320. That price may vary when you're watching this video. But, I mean, pretty much it's basically the same headphones, besides a little bit, some things are different. But, I mean, other than that, they're still quality headphones. Most people like it because of the band. But if you guys have any other questions about the Arctis 7s, let me know in the comments below, and I'll try to answer them the best I can. But thanks for watching, guys. Peace.